여러분들이 그 해주는 성과 영어로 하고 싶으면 뭐 해도 되고 카메라로 해도
Now we would like to move to our next session, leadership focus and commitments. For this session,
Firstly, I'd like to
we need to give the full accountability and develop self-personnel as a team of person.
And thank you for this workshop.
Is to move the technology from the internal control function
To our lecture, to our head of department.
ដូចគ្នានេះខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើការជ្រើសរើស5ក្រុមហើយក្រុមនីមួយៗនេះខ្ញុំនឹងឲ្យយើងទាំងអស់គ្នាធ្វើការលើកដៃរាប់1 2 3
For this challenge, our group has discussed
Our key challenge for the AI is about the human.
How I run the student and how I contact from another. My name is Thomas.
그냥 점점 외학생분이 지었네. 소면 소면 러. It's an honor to be part of KDS's member.
Thôn kia ai cái KB ได้หานมีกี่เหรัญวัตถุថ្មីរបស់លោកអ្នក